Hi, welcome to Threshing 7. Today I'm going to plant Mayocoba beans. So for those of you that are not familiar with what Mayocoba beans are, they're actually native to Mexico and they're quite expensive if you buy them in the States. I had germinated the seeds in a napkin with water, and I've had them there a couple of days, and I don't know if you can see this, but look how much roots. Now this is a bush bean. Let me see if I cannot turn my camera actually, but this is what they look like. See if I can get a better angle here. And so I'm going to be planting them alongside my house. And I just wanted to show you, I was watering them. This is a napkin, and I was adding water to them every morning, and I had them on my windowsill, and I think they've only been in the water for a week, or in the napkin rather, for a week. So they've done really, really well. They produce, it is a dry bean, and they produce through the end of the summer. So I've got one here that is actually already growing a little leaf. But anyhow, I'll be planting these and I'll be giving updates as to how well they're growing. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you next time.